Alright, hello, welcome to my update video on StudiesSolver and how it's been going. So basically, I've decided when I went into this program to do a little bit more research on libraries that I was going to use, and I've been teaching myself how to use JavaFX, sort of JavaFX ideas when creating it, because I thought the UI looked a little bit more clean and polished than Window Builder and a little bit more up to date. And I've also been using for some of the more complex things, like I looked up how to do graphing. So I've used a program called Scene Builder, which is another extension of JavaFX and adds a few more things in. Let me load up my program here. Let me bring it over. So am I able to adjust this at the moment? Right. So I've not done the best window size for this. So as you can see, brings up other windows, so you can type your variables in. Import a file I haven't done yet because I've not been too sure. Results from data though, I've got the placeholder 0 values, which get replaced when the user enters. Correlation coefficient, as well as I managed to find out how to set up a scatter graph. So when user enters data, it will pick what the best sort of on this side. Let's make that smaller. What the best and most appropriate values on this side will be, and yeah, it plots the points on. Let me close that. Quit button as well works. I've been using linked lists to sort of store it, and then it writes to a file which the user is able to access. But I'm being honest here. I've sort of had trouble with basically with JavaFX. You have these oh god, buggered that up, haven't I? Right. Window controllers. So the window controllers are in charge of like handling data, functions, results, and such. Yeah, I've been having trouble with those all of today. Like when I've tried with data add, where you add in the data and it stores to the linked list over in the main method. I spent a good 2 hours watching Russian men try to explain it to me on YouTube, but for some reason I keep getting loads of errors, so I'm sort of plugging at that. But basically, once I'm able to get the controllers working together, because you need a separate controller for data add, you need a separate controller for the results page over here with all the JavaFX whatnot over on this side. Once I get those controllers working, the maths is simple enough. I've already done the maths on my laptop, so it's just a case of transferring that over, and then we're all good. So there's an update for you. See ya.